Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're taking a look at an utterly spectacular penthouse apartment here on Western Esplanade. You're really not going to be able to find any views that rival the ones that this property offers. This is number 37B Western Esplanade, and let's go through and take a look at what this property has to offer. From the front, you can see there plenty of off-road parking with the individual space on the driveway, those spectacular views, and then of course coming straight through into the communal entrance hallway on the ground floor, a beautiful light and bright and airy space, a clean and tidy space as well. And then we'll go up the stairs and take a look at the apartment itself. Now, this property is spectacularly finished and really does give you a one-off property with some of the most incredible views that you're going to find here on the North Kent coast. Coming through to the front of the property, we can see here the open plan living, dining and kitchen space with that incredible vaulted ceiling and spectacular balcony to the front. A lot of care and attention's gone into the creation of the property here, and the design aspects really do go a long way into helping you to see exactly how this property benefits from all of that light flooding through to the front and makes the most of those sea views. I'll leave you for a few moments to take this space in, just recapping a few points on the kitchen, being that it is a fully integrated kitchen with of course the French doors out to the balcony, and I'll leave you for a few moments now just to take this space in before we go through and take a look at the rest of the property. Heading into the main family bathroom here from the hallway, you can see again a beautiful modern finish here with of course the loo and sink on the right hand side and the bath and shower unit straight ahead of us. We do of course have the ensuite to the main bedroom here, and again lots and lots of added touches and finishes from the current owners have gone on to extend the possibilities with this property. So coming back through the main entrance hallway space and taking a left-hand turn, we're going to go through into bedroom number 2. Now, due to the versatility of the bedroom sizes here, you could easily use this either as a second reception space or study, or as a fantastic double-size bedroom. You do of course have plenty of space in here for the double bed, plenty of storage options as well, and you do enjoy your south-facing terrace here to the rear, so a spectacular outdoor space to enjoy from the bifolding doors. And coming through into bedroom number 1, this time again another fantastic double-sized room, this time again with the bifolding door access out to your south-facing separate terrace. You've of course got the ensuite shower room here, fantastic amount of space again with the loo and sink unit on the left and middle respectively, and of course that open shower unit on the right hand side. We're going to go back through the hallway, back into the main living space at the front of the property and out onto that balcony now, where of course I'll leave you for a few moments to take that space in, and on the way we're going to recap a few points on this spectacular property. So here we are out on the balcony at number 37B Western Esplanade. Now, whilst you're taking in those absolutely gorgeous views, I'm going to recap a few points on the property for you. So this is, of course, number 37B Western Esplanade, a first floor penthouse apartment here in Herne Bay, enjoying some of the most spectacular sea views you're going to find. You've got 2 double bedrooms here with the fitted wardrobe options, and of course the ensuite, spectacular open plan living and kitchen space, and of course your off-road parking to the front. A lot is on offer with this property, and I really would encourage you to give us a call in the office if you've got any questions. And don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, why not give us a call today to book your own free valuation.